All right, here's a good question. You're asked to multiply this. So when you multiply it, let me write it over here. A minus b, a squared minus ab minus 6b squared. Key that you, for each product, that you make sure you do sign, number, letter. I guess there's no numbers here, but doing the sign, typically that's something that people will miss. So a times a squared will be a cubed. A times minus ab squared is going to be a minus, and a squared b. And then this one times that one, it'll be a minus, and 6 ab squared. Let's see if I have all that right. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, so now let's do the next one. Minus b times a will be a minus a squared b. And then minus b times a minus ab, the two minuses will cancel. So there'll be a positive ab squared. And lastly, this will be minus times a minus will be a positive 6b cubed. Okay, so now let's take a look to see what stuff I have. I have a positive ab squared here, and a minus 6ab squared there. Those are like terms. And then I also have this is a like to that one. And then I have that and that are separate. So let's write the a cubed. And then let's look for things that are the same. So a squared b, that one, and this one. So I'm down one a squared b, and I lose another a squared b. So I'm in the whole two a squared b's. And then here's an ab squared. There's an ab squared. So I have minus 6 and then plus 1. So I'm in the whole 6. I gain 1. So I'd still be in the whole 5 ab squareds. And then finally, I've got this 6b cubed. So 6 plus 6b cubed. Okay, and is that answer anywhere there? Looks like it's this one. A cubed minus 2a squared minus 5 plus 6. That's got to be your answer. Okay, hopefully that helps out. And probably a key thing is the dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negatives. So be careful with every one of those signs.